Food is one thing we all have in common. I'm going to take my Poblano Habanero Crema Sauce that I made in the last video, and I'm going to do a taste test. Some people who are strangers at a local business here in town. Some people I know, most people I don't. Let's see how they react to this. Come on, let's go.
Why, what is it?
I know, I'm asking, do you like spicy? Okay.
Tell me what it is before I eat
He's
it.
just made a homemade
Try it.
poblano. He just wants to.
Poblano.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, pick
It
it
was
up.
like some ghost pepper.
No.
That's what I said too.
Well, pick it. Hang on.
All right, you try it first.
What do you think?
Is it flavorful? Is it good? Or is it really spicy? I'm scared.
No, it's not really spicy.
Look at his
feel it.
face. Look at his face.
What do you think?
It's good.
Okay. Good flavor? Not
Yeah.
too spicy.
No.
Yeah.
Why is his face red?
Maybe he's
It's not.
embarrassed. He's on camera. All right,
Okay.
Joe.
I don't
Come
even
on,
feel
Joe.
it.
Give
All
it a
right,
try.
here we go. Here we go.
He's gonna cry.
It's not that bad. It's your expression.
It's fine at first, but you can feel it like.
And you can feel the heat. What do you think?
It's actually really good.
Good flavor. Yeah, I told you that.
Really good.
Good flavor.
You can feel it later.
Yeah. It's got habaneros in it.
Mm. No, but seriously, it's really good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I just shot a video on there about posting on how this is made.
Oh, okay. No, this is really good.
This is gonna be after video. Get Rebecca in here.
Good, creamy.
Yep. Get Rebecca in here.
Yeah, let's try
Yeah,
it.
don't do a commercial.
Sarah? Wait, where? But you got to do like a reaction because it's easy to record.
Yeah, I'm doing.
I thought it was, the flavor is amazing.
Oh yeah, good flavor to it.
Oh wow,
What do you think? Good.
that's really good.
Thank you.
I love it.
It's gonna hit it in a second.
Is it too
gonna
hot?
Hit you in a second.
That's great. I do like spicy. That's so good.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Where we famous now? Where's it back at? Come here. She's camera shy. Where's Rebecca go? Actually, Mr. Big Pointer.
He's gonna record you, so
Yeah,
you gotta
you're
give him a
recording here.
reaction.
Okay.
What do you think?
You gotta eat it with the chip.
What do you think?
It's good.
Isn't
Thank
that
you.
flavor good?
Thank you. Good stuff.
Nice.
See, I'm not gonna come in and trick you. It's not a hot chip challenge.
Yeah, no, that
Well, no,
would be bad.
I wanted to taste the sauce without anything but the sauce.
Uh-huh.
That's fine. Get rid of the chip now, too.
Oh yeah.
Harold Washington.
It's good.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Good stuff. All right. You have to watch the video and see how to make it.
Oh, I will.
Good. All right. Thank you.
My goodness. Really, really good.
Wow, that was a lot of fun. Everybody loved the sauce. Everybody tried it. People I didn't even know. Let strangers give them stuff to eat. Let me know if you want to see any more of these taste tests with past entrees. This was a lot of fun. I enjoyed this. I hope you did too. I'll see you next video. Real food, spend less. Bye.